Hello everyone, welcome back to Help TechLine. In this channel we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And today we are going to show you how you can change the password of your Snapchat account. Snapchat is a fast and fun way to share the moment with your friends and family. It opens up right to your camera, allowing you to send snaps, photos and videos in seconds. It is well known for its numerous filters, lenses, Bitmojis, and many more features. Sometimes, if you forget to log out your Snapchat account from another device, you can change your password in a matter of minutes. So let's change our Snapchat password using a smartphone for this video. First of all, go to your Apps menu and open up Snapchat. When you're in the app, look for your profile on the top left corner and tap on it. You will be taken to your profile. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. This will take you to the Settings menu. Look for the Password tab below your email address and tap on it. Now you are asked to enter your current password to ensure it is not someone else changing your password. Press Continue after entering your current password and you will be asked to enter a new password. Confirm the new password and press on the Save button. Now, to verify that your password has been changed, let's go back to the Settings menu and scroll all the way down to find the Log Out button. Let's log out and try logging back in using the old password. Now, since the old password is not working, let's try again with the new password. And we are now logged in. So that's all for today's video. If you like this content, drop a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel to receive more useful videos on your YouTube home screen. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.